If EA Sports FC26 isn't working on your PlayStation 5, here's a quick set of fixes that usually solve it. First, restore your game licenses. Go to Settings, then Users and Accounts, then Other, then Restore Licenses. Select the option and confirm. This refreshes your digital ownership rights and can fix launch errors, crashes, or games that won't open properly. It only takes a minute. Next, check your storage. Head to Settings, then Storage, and see how much free space you have left. If your console storage is nearly full, games can fail to launch or update properly. Delete unused games or media if needed to free up space. Then make sure your system software is updated. Go to Settings, then System Software, then System Software Update, and Settings, then Update using Internet. If an update is available, install it. Outdated system software can cause compatibility issues with newer games like FC26. After doing these steps, restart your PS5 and try launching the game again.